What's up, guys? Well, this is Christina CJ here, and welcome back to episode 2 of our Let's Play. And we're going to go out and get some more wood, because we need more wood. We don't have wood, so we're gonna need some of them. So my parents is not home, so I can't speak as loud as I can, but not too loud. It's still my brother's. My brother's still here, but he's in his room. I'm in my room. It's fine. But his room is next to mine, so I don't have to. I can speak a little bit loud, and yeah. Okay, let's get these trees, and yeah, there's no cave. It's bad that there's no cave. It's worse. It's like the worst, actually. Yeah, it's the worst. Like there's no cave. And yeah, please reach. Do this, and yes, no, this one is gonna be the tall one. Yeah, finally, die trees. And yeah, I uploaded a video that I said I'm so happy. Thank you. I'm so happy now. And I was just trying to say thank you for all. Thank you for 1 subscriber. Even how many subscribers I want is subscribers. How many else? I don't even care. All I need was subscribers. Even one. I need only 1 subscribers, and you guys subscribe to me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for that. I'm so happy. And this is episode 2, guys. This is not gonna be too long. Also, it's gonna be like 12 minutes or something. I'm not gonna make it long to waste you guys' time. To waste your time. Because sometimes you guys study English, and you want to watch me, and you want to watch me for a bit, and yeah, that's why I want it to be short. That's why. And yeah, so we're going to do this, and let's get more of these, and this turned out great. And yeah, like today I made like 5 videos, so I'm not busy. This is Monday, but it's my free. I have free times. I'm not going to school. You know why, guys? It's the children, and like children days, and the school's owner tell my friends and all the students and teachers in the school to have a good holidays. Like, yeah, and I have no homework. That is pretty, like, yeah, that is great. But my teacher is mean, actually. Yeah, we're gonna get a stack of wood. need a stack. And we're going to upgrade our house. And yeah, we're gonna build a house next to spawn, because I don't want to get lost. And yeah, this is pretty great. We're starting off great now, guys. Yeah. So, yeah. Yeah. If we like, we have more than 64. I think, yes. Yeah, more than 64. What? We did. Oh, okay. She's gonna run into the house. I don't know why there's no animal in this world. Anna. We're going to make a pickaxe. Please, please, cave. Can you be here or anywhere? Please, cave. Can you be anywhere? Please, please, the cave. Please, cave. Something cool. We found coal. Actually, yes. So you guys can see. Yes. And yeah. So we got some coal. I got some decent amount of coal. And we can mine all of these because we need it. We need them. They are useful. They're not useless though. If they're useless in Minecraft, I'm just like gonna cry. And to get up, do this and do this. And all the stones. And yeah. And we're just gonna mine until this pickaxe broke. Base. Oh, that's going to go back up. Going back up. Going back up. Yeah. And do this right here. And yeah. And then make a furnace. This is the stone cutter. We're gonna make stone cutter. And we're gonna make the furnace. check. I don't want a ball. I don't want a ball. Why it gave me a ball? And I don't want it to disappear, so I will put this into our chest. We don't want it to disappear again. Yeah, just like that. So yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode 2 of my series, my new Let's Play series, and yeah, so I hope you guys subscribe, leave a like, comment, what should I do next in the next episode, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. I hope you guys have a great time. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.